Hi and welcome. Today we'll be talking about the quadratic formula. So given an equation ax squared plus bx plus c where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, and c are all constants, then the values of x that solve this equation, that satisfy this equation, would be equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But why? Well, let's get to proving. The first thing to note is that we are going to be using the concept of completing the square. To recall what is completing the square, let's consider x squared plus bx. So, to complete the square for this expression, this would be equal to x squared plus bx. Then what we're going to do is take b divided by 2 and square it. To compensate, we are also going to be doing the same thing. We're also going to be subtracting the same value. So b over 2 quantity squared. This expression right here is a perfect square in the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this would be equal to x plus b over 2, this quantity squared, minus b over 2 quantity squared. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get to our actual equation. So a little bit of an issue. The coefficient of x squared is a, not 1. Therefore, let's divide both throughout the equation by a. We'll get x plus b over a times x plus c over a, and this is equal to 0. We are allowed to do this because a is not equal to 0. Now, let's subtract c over a on both sides. So I'll just do it really quickly. Equals negative c over a, just like so. Okay, let's get to completing the square on this side. So we have x squared plus b over a times x plus, so we are going to take this coefficient and divide it by 2. b over a divided by 2 is equal to b over a times half, which is equal to b over 2a. So we're going to have b over 2a squared, and instead of subtracting it, I'm just going to add it to the right hand side as well. So b over 2a, like so, square it, and minus c over a. Oops, wrong color. C over a. Alright, let's go ahead and simplify this side right here. So this is going to be x squared plus b over a times x plus b over 2a, as usual. To simplify this right here, just square the numerator and denominator. B squared is, well, b squared, and 2a the whole thing squared is just going to be 4a squared. And then we are going to subtract c over a. Alright, now the next thing to do is to combine these two fractions. This has a denominator of 4a squared, this has a denominator of a. So what we'll do is multiply this numerator and denominator by 4a. That way, these two fractions will have a common denominator. So we get x squared plus b over a times x plus b over 2a squared go. This is equals to b squared minus 4c times 4a, so that's going to be minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Now, the left-hand side can be simplified to be a of x squared. So, we are going to do that. This would be equal to x plus b over 2a. This whole thing squared is equals to b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Okay, remember we are trying to solve for x, therefore we are going to take the plus minus square root on both sides. So x plus b over 2a, this is equal to the plus minus square root of this. So when we take the plus minus square root, we only expect two solutions, the positive square root and the negative square root. What we can do is actually split up the square roots like this into the square root, the plus minus square root of a over the plus minus square root of b. You might think, oh, hold on, this would give you 4 solutions because there's positive, 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 negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, but these two are the same and these two are the same. So what we can do is simply just take the plus minus square root on the numerator, while the denominator is just going to be the square root. This still gives us 2 solutions. So what I mean is I'm just going to be doing this. Take the plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and then take the square root of 4a squared. So x plus b over 2a is equals to the plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and the denominator is going to be the square root of 4a squared. The square root of 4a squared is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of a squared. The square root of 4 is equal to 2 and the square root of a squared is equal to a. Now finally, to solve for x, let's just subtract b over 2a on both sides. So we get x is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this is our quadratic formula. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.